how to choose your coffee machine. Commercial, home or office use, we have two types of machines available. We have what we call an automatic machine. You can program the various buttons on the machine to give you the various types of coffees you require, or we have a manual machine where you've got to press the button to start the coffee and you press the button to stop the coffee. Because you don't want to buy a machine that's too big for your requirements or one that's too small. So the rule of thumb is, for 50 tables, you have a two-group coffee machine, that's a two-group, with a wand for the steam and a water outlet. If you have a higher requirement, for say 80-seater, you could have 3 group heads on your machine and you could have 2 frothing steam wands. You will still remain with one water supply.